In this video we will learn the names of things in your school and classroom. From books to desks and pencils to the blackboard, we will discover them all with pictures. Let's start. Classroom.
Classroom.
Duster.
Duster.
Book.
Book.
Notebook.
Notebook.
Chalk.
Chalk.
Colored pencils.
Colored pencils.
Crayons.
Crayons.
Pencil.
Pencil.
Pen.
Pen.
Ruler.
Ruler.
Compass.
Compass.
Hole punch.
Hole punch.
Stapler.
Stapler.
Clock.
Clock.
Desk.
Desk.
Chair.
Chair.
Whiteboard.
Whiteboard.
Blackboard.
Blackboard.
Scissors.
Scissors.
Eraser.
Eraser.
Sharpener.
Sharpener.
Glue.
Glue.
Glue stick.
Glue stick.
Highlighter.
Highlighter.
Marker.
Marker.
Noticeboard.
Noticeboard.
Calendar.
Calendar.
Tape.
Tape.
Computer.
Computer.
Pencil case.
Pencil case.
Globe.
Globe.
Calculator.
Calculator.
Laptop.
Laptop.
Paintbrush.
Paintbrush.
Projector.
Projector.
Paper.
Paper.
Paper clips.
Paper clips.
School bag.
School bag.
Lunchbox.
Lunchbox.
Water bottle.
Water bottle.
Teacher.
Teacher.
Student.
Student.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more videos.